Tired of watching YouTube videos on your tiny phone screen when you could be enjoying them on your big, beautiful Apple TV? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to get YouTube up and running on your Apple TV, unlocking a world of entertainment for your viewing pleasure. First things first, navigate to the App Store on your Apple TV. It usually looks like a blue icon with a white inside, prominently displayed on your home screen. Once you're in the App Store, head over to the search bar, typically located at the top of the screen. Select the search bar to bring up the keyboard. Use the Apple TV remote to type YouTube into the search bar. The YouTube icon should appear as you begin typing. Find the official YouTube app in the search results. It's the one with the red play button logo. Select the Get button, which is usually right next to the app icon. The app will now begin downloading to your Apple TV. The download time will vary depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, the Get button will change to an Open button. Click the Open button to launch the YouTube app. The YouTube app will now open, and you'll be able to browse videos, subscribe to your favorite channels, and enjoy personalized recommendations all on your Apple TV. You may need to sign in with your Google account to access your subscriptions and watch history. Now you can elevate your home entertainment experience and start streaming.